Hello, welcome to a brief tour of my thesis project. The idea of this project was formed during the conversation with my friends. Each of us, me and my friends, had problem with managing our finances, and we were looking for the tool that would help us budget our income better. After some research, the tools that we found were either too expensive, needed personal information, or were simply not satisfying our needs. I thought of a tool that would solve this problem, meaning it would be easy and simple to use, would not ask for any personal information, be free, and most importantly, have all the functionalities that other tools were lacking. So I built a personal financial advisor using Flask Python framework, Azure SQL database, and couple of machine learning algorithms. Here, users can visualize, organize, and keep track of their finances and spending habits. I called it WalletBuddyAI. With that said, let's have a look at it. This is the registration page where users can register, log in, or reset password. It implements user authorization and authentication. After logging in, the first page where user is redirected to is profile page, where user can see total of their finances as you can see below. They can also change the profile picture, which adds a touch of user friendliness to the web application. Next, we can see the navigation bar and move to the home page. On this page, you can see a little description and roadmap about this tool. Let's move to the finances. Here you can see incomes, savings, outcomes, and loans. All of them have almost the same functionalities. User can visualize, add, edit, or delete each finance. Pie charts are created with the Matplotlib library of the Python. We can see the example on the outcomes page, and let's just add the outcome with some data. For example, outcome 5, it might cost 1,500, and this is the day of the month on which the user has to pay this outcome, and let's say it is 3. And as you can see, the outcome is added, and this way we can just delete it. Next, let's visit the overview page, where user can visualize bar charts of the previously mentioned finances, created also with Matplotlib. Here you can see the bar charts and also the tables of each finance. Now let's move to the calendar page, where these highlighted dates represent the incoming finances and whether they are fulfilled or not. User can toggle each finance if it is fulfilled, and in the end of the month they can simply reset the status simply by pressing this reset finance status button and confirming it. Next page is recommendations page. Here user can see little description of how to use it. First of all, they need to have some record of incomes and outcomes in previously mentioned pages. Next, they can select how much percent they need to save from their income. From here, they can either get the default recommendations or they can simply add the categories with priorities to get personalized recommendations. They can edit from here, but for now I'm going to use default recommendations. According to the incomes, outcomes, and the entered percentage, user will get the recommendations and visualize current state of their financial data in tables. Let's have a look at it. Here you can see how much they can spend daily, weekly, or monthly. Here is expected income and outcome from loans. And here is the tables for outcomes, expenses, and loans as well. Now let's see the transactions page. This is the first page that uses machine learning. Here user can first of all input the transactions they made during the day or entire month at a time. And by clicking the predict next month button, they will be able to see machine learning calculated amount of the money they might spend next month if they will continue spending like this. On the backend, algorithm takes the transactions amount from last 12 months and calculates prediction of next month with it. Here you can see the prediction of the machine learning algorithm. Finally, let's see the stock page. This is the second page that uses machine learning. Here, user can input the stock initial. This is the initials for Tesla. and get prediction of whether the price will increase or decrease in future 10 days. It is calculated according to the graph with KNN algorithm. You can see the graph here, and the prediction says that it will increase in future 10 days. This was a brief overview of the project. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.